audience. In this video, we'll discuss an example of creating a project and software using C++ about inheritance and polymorphism. So the problem here uh, about queue management. The queue class is up and working in a customer service company. The company opens up a new branch and asks you to make another version of the queue for them. The only difference is the way the queue is displayed, each number on a new line. You decide to create a new class called que2, which is driven or inherited from the que class and overrides the print method or function, outputting each element of the que on a new line. And here there is a hint: don't forget to change the access specifier of the que members, as they won't be inherited if private. So let's discuss this original code, which is class que, which is the parent. We will generate a child from it as que2, because here in the bottom we have the main, which we have a que1 of type of que, and another member which is que2, which is of type que2. So we don't have a class of que2, and both of them have functions for adding items to the que and then print. The same with adding items and then print the values. So we up and what is father or parent que. We have two members here defined, and we have a public que method, and then we have add method, and we have remove method, and we have print method, and we have operator, which is adding, include adding. So first of all, we will modify this code by writing new code for generating or inheriting a new que of the same properties and methods of the parent que. So the second will be called que2. So it's a class, and its name will be que, and already we have que2 in the main. So it will inherit from the parent, which is que. So it's a public, and then we will write the name of the parent class, and then we will open parentheses, curly brackets, sorry, and here we will finish it with semicolon. Then we will write here public. Okay. Then we need to all these methods by the class que. So the method que. So we will write a que public, and here we have public. Okay. Que, which is this one. We will open here its method. Okay, and we have also curly brackets, and we have a semicolon. So the class include this method, which is related to the above method. Then we will need the print. This print, we will take it as it, Control C, and we will put inside our inherited que2 here after this first method, and then we will make a change here, overriding the class. So Here and the problem and the issue, we need line by line every element in a new line. Okay, so we will copy this keyword which end line and we'll insert here. So what will happen here when we execute que1, we will calling the que itself, the parent and its method. While when we execute que2, we will the child which it inherited from the parent. So we will call this class which is the inherited class. And we have made some change here. In the print method, we put this code to print each item will be added to the que in a line, separated line. While in the old one or the parent, we have the print, we will see this separate symbol. So let's run now the code and check the result. Before we run, we have to put here public. So he told us, don't forget to change the access of the members specifier of the que members as they won't be inherited if they are private. So we have to write here public. Okay, then we run. There is some problems here. We have the que in 55 line. We have the public que. I think that we have some column exists. Okay, so let's run again. And we have in 53 also there is something error. Let's run. So we have the same problem here in 55. Still the problem is found, and so we can delete this, or maybe we can try to access this like this. Control X here and put it here. Okay, let's check now and try again. So we have the same problem here, and we have in 53 and 50 and 82. In 82, this is also que2, not que, but this is que2. Okay, so we will replace again this Control X. So here Control X, we will put here again. Let's try. We have also a problem in 82. Now there is no problem in 85, but we have in the public que. We open it here. We may delete this. So close this. Q2. 53 also we have something error here. And we have 82, 82, 82 here. This of the main. So the main, there will be a semicolon here. Maybe. Still the same problem.